Having the right dash cams can completely change your driving experience. So in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best dash cams, so you'll never have to suffer through worrying about your car's safety on the road ever again. Now, the issue is that a dash cam might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you. And that's just because most dash cams are not made with the same exact people in mind. So that's why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I love the perfect dash cam for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned until the end so you don't miss anything. Number 5, the Vantrue S1 Pro is my top pick for the best dash cam for most people, featuring crystal clear 2.5K resolution, built-in GPS for accurate tracking, and 24-hour parking mode functionality. It offers high-quality video recording with a resolution of 1944 by 1080p at 30 frames per second, ensuring every road detail is captured accurately. The Sony Starvis sensor enhances low-light performance, delivering sharp images in challenging lighting conditions. The built-in GPS provides accurate location data, speed tracking, and route information, creating a comprehensive record of your journeys. With seamless loop recording and a G sensor that detects collisions and locks footage, it ensures critical evidence is protected. The durable build, compact design, and 320-degree wide-angle lens reduce blind spots and enhance road coverage. Combining impressive video quality, built-in GPS, loop recording, and the Sony Starvis system, the Vantrue S1 Pro is a reliable and high-performance dash cam perfect for most drivers. Number 4, the Garmin Mini 2 is my choice for the best mini dash cam, offering high-definition 1080p video recording, automatic incident detection, and easy sharing via the Garmin Drive app. Despite its compact size, it blends seamlessly into your car's interior and delivers top-notch performance. The built-in Wi-Fi allows you to review and share footage directly from your smartphone, adding a layer of convenience. Garmin's parking guard feature records if motion or a significant impact is detected, ensuring your car's protection even when you're not around. Voice control enables hands-free operation, keeping you focused on the road. For a small yet powerful dash cam, the Garmin Mini 2 is an excellent option. Number 3, the Vantrue N4 is my top pick for the best front and rear dash cam, offering a versatile triple camera setup that captures front, interior, and rear views simultaneously in crystal clear 4K resolution. This comprehensive coverage ensures you have a complete record of every angle. The interior infrared night vision is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone concerned about in-cabin safety after dark, capturing clear footage inside the vehicle even in low light conditions. The front and rear cameras boast a wide 155-degree field of view, reducing blind spots and ensuring every detail is captured. The 4K resolution delivers stunning clarity, making license plates and road signs easily visible. The Vantrue N4 also features a 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse, protecting your vehicle even when parked, and a built-in G sensor that locks and saves footage in the event of an impact or collision. For those wanting an advanced, well-rounded dash cam with multi-camera angles, the Vantrue N4 is an excellent choice. Check the description for updated pricing, and if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Number 2, the Arizona Dashcam is my top choice for the best dash cam for the money, offering ultra-high-resolution recording, built-in GPS for precise location tracking, and advanced driver assistance features. With 4K Ultra HD resolution, it captures license plates, road signs, and crucial details with stunning precision, ensuring every moment on the road is recorded in cinematic quality. The wide-angle lens with a 170-degree field of view provides comprehensive coverage, reducing blind spots and capturing the entire road scene. Its f1.8 aperture front and rear cameras record clear footage even at night. Loop recording keeps the camera ready to capture unexpected events, and the G sensor locks and saves footage during collisions, preserving crucial evidence for insurance claims. The Arizona Dashcam combines breathtaking 4K resolution, wide-angle lens, night vision, loop recording, and a user-friendly design, making it an excellent choice for high-quality on-the-road security. Number 1, the Vantrue N4 Pro is my top pick for the best overall dash cam, featuring a cutting-edge triple camera setup that captures front, interior, and rear views simultaneously in impressive 1080p resolution. With its comprehensive coverage, this dash cam ensures you have a complete record of every angle, delivering unparalleled security and peace of mind on the road. It also includes interior infrared night vision, perfect for low light conditions, capturing clear footage inside the vehicle even during the darkest nights. The wide 360-degree field of view for the front and and rear cameras virtually eliminates blind spots, ensuring every detail is captured in stunning clarity. Utilizing the Sony Starvis 2 EMX678 sensor, the front camera supports up to 4K resolution, making license plates and road signs easily identifiable. The Vantrue N4 Pro offers triple lens technology, superior resolution, interior night vision, a wide field of view, and GPS functionality, making it a powerful choice for anyone seeking to capture everything in stunning quality and detail to ensure their safety on the road. And if you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all. Till next time.